Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to use Envato Elements in CapCut. So as you can see, I have my CapCut right here and I am on the Envato website. So right here on the Envato, you just have to log into your account. So right here, you just have to search for Envato. And then you'd be able to see this first website, so you just have to click on this one. That's right, and then you'd be directed to this page right there after logging into your account. Okay, so we have your stock videos, a video template, music, sound effects, graphic templates, graphics, 3D, and more. Okay, and then we can use the search bar at the top if we want to search for a specific element that we want to use. So right there on the stock videos, when we scroll down, be able to see here different stock videos that we can use. Okay, so you can also click on this one right there and then select your category. Okay, so after that one, just have to scroll down and then find the correct video that you want to use. And then you have to take note that here in Envato Elements, in order for you to get unlimited downloads, you have to subscribe to a plan. So we have individual, team, and enterprise. So for individual, we have to pay for this amount, and for team and for the enterprise, we have to contact them first. Okay, so now that we are done subscribing to a plan, the next thing that we should do is to find the correct element that we can use to CapCut. Okay, so let me just go to the all item section. And then what am I going to do next is to find now the elements that has the effects that I need for my video. Okay, so you just have to scroll down right there and then I can click on the show all option at the right side. Okay, so I'm just going to select the all items once again. And then right there, I'm going to click on this show all option for the video templates. And for the categories, we have broadcast packages, elements, infographics, logo stings, openers, and more. So here just have to click on the elements. And then after clicking on the elements, you'd be directed to this page where you can find different elements for your videos. So here, in order for you to see if this video is 4K resolution and it has the effects that you need, so you can preview this one, you can full screen. Then after that, just have to download this one after subscribing. Now that you have subscribed to Envato, you can now download this one. But I think I'm going to use the slide transition. Okay, so let us preview this element first. Okay, so I think this one is good. So it has 30 transitions. So for Premiere Pro, but we'll actually use this on CapCut. Okay, so now that we have this element, so assuming that you already downloaded the zip file for this one, next thing that you do is you have to open your file and then make sure to extract the zip file in order for you to access the video and then use it on CapCut. So I already extracted all of the videos that I need. So now I am going to open my CapCut application on my laptop. Okay, so right there, I'm just going to click on the CapCut icon at the bottom. Okay, so before that, let me just show you here all of the assets. So here are the effects that we have, or the light effects from Envato Elements. Okay, so now I'm going to open my CapCut application and I already added here my video and some of the effects. So you just have to import the effects that you want to add. Okay, so right there we have so many assets or many light effects. So I already imported this video. And then the next thing that we should do here now is to import the effects that we want to add. So here just have to select the effects that you need and then click on open. And then once done, the next thing that you should do now is to add here your main video. And after adding your main video, you can now add your effects. Okay, so let me just play the video and see if this one is working. So it's all good. Now let us add effects. So you just have to drag and drop the effects above our main videos. For example, I want to add this one right there, and then this effects as well. Okay, and then this one as well. Now when we play the video, as you can see, it is not blended to our main video, meaning that whenever this video appears, our main video disappears. So what we are going to do in order for us to use the light effects only is to simply click on that effects or that video and then go to the blend section. So you have to check this box. Okay, so let me just click on this box right here, and then here just have to select a mode and then select screen, and then just have to do that to the rest of the effects as well. So just click on the blend option, then for the mode select the screen, and then for the last effect I'm going to click on the blend and then select the screen for the mode. And then when we try to play this video, as you can see, we only have here now the light effects. Okay, so before we end this video, I will also going to show you on how you can add the multiple effects or videos together. So you just have to simply press and hold the control key on your keyboard and then select all of the videos that you want to add together. And then you just have to drag and drop it right here. Then when you click on it, go to the blend section, and then check this box and then go to the mode and then select screen. So when we play this one, as you can see, we have the separate effects. Okay, so let me just preview this one in full screen for you guys to see. So let us play this video. Okay, so we have the second effects, and then the third effects, and then for our series of effects, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have successfully added now the effects from Envato Elements to our CapCut. So Envato Elements offers a wide range of benefits, especially for creative professionals and teams working on diverse projects. So number one, it is cost-effective access to resources, unlimited downloads, budget-friendly for teams, and of course, it also has a high-quality assets. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.